We needed an extra key for our house. And when I noticed this key making machine at Lowe stores, it's not the Lowe's like in South Africa, this is a hardware store. When I noticed it, I know this is my chance. And I decided to take you with me, that you can have the experience how this machine is making a key. So enjoy it with us.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
We've got exciting times here in America. I'm gonna try and cut now a key by this machine. I've never done it, so let us see how it is gonna go. You want to pass?
Yeah, I don't know why I came this way.
Okay, no problem. Neem je nog af? Get started. Order your spare card here.
Welcome to RELOCATE. Please select the type of key.
I don't know. Neem je af.
Please enter and hold your key below as shown. Your key has been claimed. You can let go of your key for now. Please do not remove your key until prompted.
Moenie bewe nie.
Your key has been successfully scanned. Please do not remove your key until prompted. Please select your desired key.
You can show closer here. Just show that they can see the prices in the different keys. I'm just gonna go for the brass. I only want one key.
Would you like to take advantage of this special offer?
No. Continue. Get your free brass key. Get key. Huh?
Please select your desired keys.
Oh,
Jy sien nou se $10.
cancel.
Kon nie $10 gebruik
Are
nie.
you sure you want to cancel your order?
Yes.
Please remove your key.
Now we're gonna start from scratch again.
Welcome to RELOCATE. Please select the type key. Please insert and hold your key below as shown. Your key has been clamped. You can let go of your key for now. Please do not remove your key until prompted. Your key has been successfully scanned. Please do not remove your key until prompted. desired keys. Would you like to take advantage of this special offer? Our innovative smooth cut technology reduces wear and tear on your lock's internal pins, helping to prevent jamming and reducing the need for costly lock repairs or replacements over time. To get started, select the keys you'd like to upgrade.
No thanks. Jy wil net meer geld by my
Please
vat.
select your form of payment.
O, dit is $5.
Please insert bills in the cash slot. Exact change is required.
Ja, maar bills, so let's try, I only have $1 bug. $1. Daar so is 1. 2. Hoekom wil jy hom nie vat nie?
Okay, sit hom nou weer in.
Ja. 3. 4. 5.
Please enter your email address or mobile number.
3 of 2?
26.
Thank you for your payment. Would you like to get a free digital key backup and never have to worry about losing your keys again?
O, jy kon gesê het ja.
Please wait while we duplicate
Ja,
your
dan
new
vra hy
keys.
ekstra geld.
O. Hy het gesê free.
Die ander een het ook gesê free, dus het sommer $10. Kyk hier binne, bring in jou kar of jou kamera daar binne.
Vat jy die
Je moet ook weer een beetje verder staan. Kijk ons. You want to pass? Oh. Nou val hy uit.
Don't fly off without your keys. Please remove your keys and rest safe with the accuracy guarantee.
No. And now I've got a new key. Wys hom. Got a new key now. Okay, sharp. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. And now I need to address something. I've got a lot of WhatsApps for people who have my WhatsApp number. And they ask me, what is the story about membership? Will we never be able to see the membership videos for those who's not members? No, the only thing this is, when I upload a video, I give YouTube a chance, some hours. There's not a specific time I'm using, but I give YouTube some hours to work through the video and to see if there's any violations. Like I had a previous video with the rodeo video, gave me a lot of trouble. YouTube gave me a lot of trouble because of copyrights. And I upload a video up front, and then I only make it public after a few hours or maybe a day or two. And then in the meantime, YouTube can run through it to see if there's any violations. And I had now some viewers who said they really want to give us just something. And they would like to do it in a membership form. So that's why I activated the membership form. It's only on this stage, it's only $1 a month. And it's only for you who want to do it, who really wants to do it. It's not necessary to do it. And those ones will be able to see the video immediately when I upload it. So the chances is there that I'm going to take the video down and fix if YouTube have a problem. But this is like a kind of a test to test the video. That is for that period, and the members is allowed to see it. So I hope this will explain this to you. And when you hear other people talk about it, please explain to them, help them to explain it as well, because not everyone is watching all the videos. And that they can understand. You will eventually see that video when it become available public. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this key making video, and cheerio out.
Meet Sadie, our tiny teacup Yorkie with a big personality. She lives for treats, her playtime, and being right by our side. We're trying to bring her with us to the USA, and any support, whether it's a donation or even just a prayer, would truly mean everything to us. If you'd like to help or learn more, please click the link in the description. And thank you so much, Happy Foreigners, for supporting us through this journey.